Good morning, children. In my previous class, I explained to you that how this particular boy called Josie stayed in a very lonely room. He was very much afraid because he could hear some sound coming from the storeroom, and he was terribly in fear. Yet he had to be there. Now, let us see after that what happens to him. He was sleeping and now is still in the storeroom. Let us see further what happens to this particular boy. Today I have taken page number 75. The boy who drew cats, or the boy who drew cats, page 75. Please, all of you take page number 75. First paragraph, you see. Josie froze with fear. Froze with fear. In other words, he was too much afraid. Froze with fear. Froze. He was terribly. He was terribly afraid, too much afraid. He froze. He was unable to move this side or that side, in other words. So Josie froze with fear. He was very quiet. He couldn't do anything because he was very much afraid. So he was too much afraid. Next slide. Something shook the floor and then there was complete silence. See, sometimes when earthquake takes place, the earth will be shaking. Similarly, something shook. Shake, shook, shook. So, shake, shook, shaken. So something was shaking that particular room, or the whole door and windows were there, so they were shaking. Something shook the floor. So floor was shaking. Floor of the room was shaking. Something shook the floor and then there was complete silence. There was no sign of any sound. It was complete silence. No one was talking. So really this particular boy was afraid and he had hard time in the room. Next time. He stood trembling in the dark for hours. Trembling, again it is shaking. Trembling. He was shivering. He was shivering. Trembling means shivering. He was shivering from fear. He stood trembling in the dark for hours. He could not go anywhere. He was simply trembling. He was shaking. All his body was shaking due to fear. He was too much afraid. Let us see next what happens. Afraid to look out of the closet. He was too much. See, closet, last time I told you, it is a small room, it is a storeroom. Storeroom, he was sleeping over there, and he was afraid to look out of even the window. 30. Next paragraph. In the morning, he carefully opened the door and peered out. Peering out. Peered out. Looked out. He looked out. In other words, he saw from the room itself outside what was there. So he wanted to see what was outside of the room. In the morning, he carefully opened the door and peered out. He is peeping, peering, he is looking, watching. watching, carefully he is looking what is there and what was making noise and what was shaking the floor. So he wanted to find out what was in that room. Next paragraph. In the middle of the room lay a monster rat. See, there was a very big monster rat. In the middle of the room lay a monster rat. Monster rat, very big rat was there. It was looking very big. In the middle of the room lay a monster rat. So after seeing this particular rat, or this particular rat only was making lot of noise. So my dear children, let us see what happens to this particular boy. In my next class, I will explain to you. Thank you very much to everyone.